Hey birdies, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. Welcome back to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So guys, I'm here to do another reaction video to the group Now United. And this was a recommendation by someone who commented. Thank you so much for the comment. Please just let you guys know, also feel free to leave a link as well to whatever you want me to react to, please. This is Now United's song How We Do It, and I believe it's feature an Indian artist, if I can get it correctly, but his name is pronounced Badshah, so hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. So I can't wait to see how this is gonna go. As I said over and over before, I really do like this girl. Oh, so he's in India. Come on, Tiara. Yes.
Hey, Red One. Yeah, you already know. Yeah. Hey, I gotta reach for the life that I'm living for. I gotta look to the sky when it's gonna pour. And no fear for the fight when you're about to score. And that's a matter of fact. And that's a matter of fact. Cause when you see me, you see me, you see me ballin'. Body to body, I hear him calling.
Oh, come on, John.
We never falling.
Ah.
Let's go, let's go.
I hear Annie.
This is how we do it. There ain't no other way. You see how we move in. Love finds us every day. This is how we do it. And there ain't no other way.
Come on, Tiara.
All together. Cause we all know together's always better. Cause this is
How we do it. Yes. This is their favorite song, their favorite dance. Yeah. I won't see her like I do like me some Indian pop music. I really don't know the artist's name, but I do like me some Indian pop music. Bollywood. Okay.
क्योंकि मैं हूँ आगे वो है सारे पीछे प्यार करने वाले रहते सर आंखों पे मुझसे चलने वाले रहते जूतों के नीचे
That's how we do it. Yes. You see how we move. Oh, I love it. He stay dancing. You can tell he really loves dancing. Ah, 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 ah. Oh my god, I gotta see that again. He be killing it. See how we do it. Ah, 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 ah. This is how we do it. Oh, she's gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Give it to me, sister. Ooh, who's that? He's cute.
Reach for the life that I'm living for. I gotta look to the sky when it's gonna pour. And no fear for the fight when you're about to score. And that's a matter of fact. And that's a matter of fact. Cause this is how we do it. There ain't no other way. You see it how we move it. Love finds us. It's a matter of fact. Cause this is how we do it.
Who voice is this?
There ain't no other way. You see it how we move.
Wait a minute. Who voice is this?
Score, and that's a matter of fact. And that's a matter of fact. Cause this is how we do it. There ain't no other way. You see it how we move it. Love finds us every day. This is how we do it.
What was that?
Let's go, let's go.
Ah, 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 ah. This is how we do it.
It's all about love.
His voice is so deep.
It's all about love.
Oh.
It's all about प्यार
How we do it, how we do it, yeah.
Yes. Yes. That was the song, music video to the song How We Do It, featuring Badshah from the group Now United. I really do like this group. I've said over and over before. I think this group is very talented. But I think that the one the dancer, that's Josh from Canada. I love to watch the music videos and to see him dancing because he really do love that. And you could tell in the video, and it showed. Thanks to the ones who recommend directives. I really do appreciate it. Like I said over and over before, it's so sad that, Miss Diarra left the group, but amazing. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave it below. And I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can leave a site. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.